Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes, go to its settings, and here you can find volume button function. You can set it to shutter, shutter countdown, zoom, or just volume. So let's set it to zoom and check how it works. So as you can see right now with volume buttons I can zoom in or zoom out. Just like this. Nice, yeah? I think so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.